Hi guys and ladies, I'm here at Tamraght village. It's just 10 kilometers from Agadir, and this is really a secluded village, and really no, not beaten path, no beaten path. It gives you the feeling that you are in a ghost village, but anyway, this is a typical Moroccan style. All this building house or partially built house. If you never were in Morocco before, you may have the feeling that you are in a favela or Rio de Janeiro, but it isn't. And I'm going for a walking trail which arrives at the beach over there. And that's the accommodation where I'm staying. It's owned by a private guy. Very cool. And I guess I can go up by these stairs. Okay, the owner said that over there is a gym. You know what I'm going to do here? I'm gonna snap a picture of the accommodation just in case. Oh, great! I still can catch the Wi-Fi from the private house because outside of here I don't have any internet. So let's go down and see what to expect. That's the challenge. You don't know what to expect when you are in such a secluded village behind the seaside. C'est la vie, c'est la vie. This is basically my last day in Morocco. It's a really short stay of 3.5 days, and I want to make the most, and by being focused off the beaten path. So, and they all told me that Agadir is nothing special, there's nothing to see and so on. So let's stand out of the crowd. Okay, over there is a synagogue where the Muslims are going to pray. Maybe later at 3 p.m. there will be a Muslim pray. I don't even need to set the alarm because there will be the first Muslim pray at 5 o'clock in the morning, and maybe another one at 7 or 8. That being said, I will keep walking to the seaside and see you in a bit. If you find this video inspiring, don't forget to thumbs up.